They were once legends in the field, trusted by hunters across generations. These rifles delivered trophy bucks, dropped game with ease, and became household names. But in 2025, things have changed. Ammo shortages, outdated tech, poor accuracy by today's standards, and rising maintenance issues have made these once popular hunting rifles more of a burden than a blessing. If you're thinking about buying one of these rifles or still using one, you might be making a costly mistake. One of these might even be sitting in your gun safe right now. Watch to the end because the number 1 rifle on this list will shock you. Number 5. Arisaka Type 38 and Type 99. The Arisaka Type 38 and Type 99 rifles, used by Japan during World War II, are bolt-action rifles that some collectors and hunters still consider for their historical value. These rifles, chambered in 6.58 mm Type 38 and 7.7-58 mm Type 99, were designed for military use, not modern hunting. Their simple Mauser-style action is reliable, and the Type 99's chrome-lined barrel resists corrosion, which is a plus for wet environments. They're lightweight, around 7.5 pounds, making them easy to carry on long hunts. The historical appeal draws enthusiasts, and ammo, though not common, can still be found or hand-loaded. However, these rifles have significant downsides for modern hunting. The 6.55 50mm cartridge lacks the power needed for larger game like elk or moose, limiting its use to smaller animals like deer. The Type 99's 7.7 58mm is better, but still underpowered compared to modern calibers like .308 Win. Sights are basic, not ideal for long-range shots, and mounting modern optics is challenging without costly modifications. The internal magazine holds only 5 rounds, which is standard but slow to reload. These rifles were great for their time but can't compete with modern options. Their collectible value might tempt some, but for practical hunting, they're outdated and not worth the investment for most hunters. Pros: historical value, lightweight, reliable action, corrosion-resistant barrel, Type 99. Cons: weak cartridges, inconsistent accuracy, hard-to-find parts, clunky safety, poor sights. Number 4. Savage Model 340. The Savage Model 340, a budget bolt-action rifle from the mid-20th century, was popular for its affordability and chamberings like .30 Win and .222 Remington. Weighing about 7 pounds, it's decent for carrying in the field, and its simple design is easy to maintain. The .30 is effective for deer within 150 yards, and the .222 Remington offers low recoil for small game. The rifle's detachable magazine, holding 4 rounds, is a plus for quick reloading. Its blued steel barrel and walnut stock give it a classic look, appealing to traditionalists. However, the Model 340 has many flaws that make it a poor choice today. Its accuracy is mediocre, often producing 2 to 3 MOA groups, which is unacceptable for long-range hunting. Modern optics mounting is a hassle, as the receiver isn't drilled for standard bases. Ammo availability for .222. Remington is limited, and .30 lacks the versatility of calibers like 6.5 Creedmoor. The action feels rough compared to newer rifles, and parts are scarce, making repairs costly. While it was a solid budget option decades ago, the Savage Model 340 can't match the performance of modern rifles like the Ruger American or Savage 110. Hunters looking for reliability and accuracy will find better options at similar price points, making this rifle largely obsolete for serious hunting. Pros: affordable, lightweight, detachable magazine, good for short-range deer hunting. Cons: poor accuracy, heavy trigger, fragile stock, rust-prone, limited ammo availability. Number 3. Kimber Mountain Ascent Subalpine. The Kimber Mountain Ascent Subalpine is marketed as an ultralight hunting rifle, weighing just 4.8 to 6.7 pounds depending on caliber, like .308 Win or 300 WSM. Its carbon fiber stock with Gore Optifade Subalpine camo is ideal for mountain hunting, offering a non-slip grip and durability. The 84M bolt action is smooth, with a Mauser claw extractor for reliable feeding. The adjustable trigger, set at 3.5 to 4 pounds, aids accuracy, and Kimber guarantees sub-MOA performance for 3 shots. The fluted barrel and bolt reduce weight, and the rifle comes with tally scope rings for easy optic mounting. However, its lightweight design has drawbacks. The thin barrel heats up quickly, causing groups to widen after 3 shots, with some tests showing 1.37-inch 5-shot groups, which isn't ideal for sustained shooting. The high price, around $2,000, feels steep for a rifle that struggles with heat management. The 3-position safety is reliable but bulky, hard to use with gloves. Compared to competitors like the Browning X-Bolt, it's less versatile for varied hunting conditions. While it's great for backcountry hunts where weight is critical, its accuracy fades with extended use, and the cost doesn't justify the performance for most hunters. Newer rifles offer better balance and reliability, making the subalpine a risky buy. Pros: ultralight, smooth action, sub-MOA guarantee, durable stock, easy optic mounting. Cons: barrel heats up, feeding issues, expensive bulky safety, limited sustained accuracy. Number 2. Browning X-Bolt Mountain Pro. The Browning X-Bolt Mountain Pro is a premium lightweight rifle, weighing around 6 pounds, designed for mountain hunting with calibers like 6.5 Creedmoor and 6.8 Western. Its carbon fiber stock and barrel, made by Preferred Barrel Blanks, ensure durability and accuracy, with some models achieving sub-1-inch 5-shot groups. The smooth 3-lug bolt and rotary magazine feed reliably, and the adjustable stock fits various shooters. The rifle's Ovix camo and Cerakote finish resist weather, and the threaded barrel supports suppressors. However, its high cost, often over $2,500, is a major drawback, especially when mid-priced rifles like the X-Bolt Western Hunter LR offer similar performance for less. The proprietary scope rings limit optic choices, and the trigger, while decent, can feel heavy compared to Savage's AccuTrigger. The short barrel, often 18 inches, reduces velocity, impacting long-range performance. While it's reliable for one-shot mountain hunts, its cost and minor design flaws make it less appealing for budget-conscious hunters or those needing versatility. Newer models with better value have overshadowed this rifle, making it a questionable investment. Pros: lightweight, accurate, reliable feeding, weather-resistant, suppressor-ready. Cons: expensive, proprietary rings, heavy trigger, short barrel, higher recoil. Number 1. Christensen Arms MPR or Ridgeline. The Christensen Arms MPR and Ridgeline rifles, particularly the Ridgeline FFT Titanium, are known for their lightweight design, with the FFT model weighing just 4.8 pounds in .308 Win. Their carbon fiber wrapped barrels and FFT carbon stocks reduce weight while maintaining strength. The M700 style action with a fluted bolt is smooth, and the sub-MOA guarantee holds up in tests. Available in versatile calibers like 6.5 Creedmoor and 7 PRC, they're suited for mountain hunting. The side baffle muzzle brake reduces recoil and the adjustable stock fits well. However, the $3,400 price for the Ridgeline FFT Titanium is steep, and the MPR can exceed $2,000, making them hard to justify over cheaper options like the Savage 1 in 10 Ultralight. The carbon stock feels flimsy to some, and the bolt can bind under rapid cycling. The lightweight design amplifies recoil in Magnum calibers, and the high cost doesn't guarantee better performance than competitors like the Browning X-Bolt 2. For hunters needing a reliable, affordable rifle, these models feel overpriced and overhyped, with newer options offering better value and similar performance. Pros: ultralight sub-MOA accuracy, versatile calibers, durable materials, recoil-reducing brake. Cons: very expensive, flimsy stock, binding bolt, magazine issues, inconsistent accuracy.